This is the 2024 Delta Cup Intermunicipalities and Cities Basketball Tournament as we are live here inside the Brenzi Gao Convention Center in the beautiful city of San Fernando, Pampanga for the first game of this Saturday quadruple header as we will see Mr. Big Moment 2.0, born 2001 champion of Sinag Liga Asia, Steven Angeles, the former Letra Knight, representing his hometown San Simon dito sa ating first game. Makakatapat niya ang 1 Magalang Basketball and that is our game today. I Love San Simon kontra 1 Magalang Basketball. Second game is Minalin All-Stars kontra Florida Blanca. Third game will be City of Mabalacat versus Apalit I Love It. And for the last game, the main event game, it's Villa de Bacolor kontra Bayong Porac for this Saturday quadruple header. At ako po ang inyong makakasama ngayong araw. Ako po si Enzo Galarosa and you could follow us on our Facebook page at Pampanga PIO dahil live po tayo ang lahat ng 4 games natin dun sa Facebook natin. And syempre, live din po sa YouTube channel Pampanga PIO or Pampanga_PIO. You can also check out our YouTube channel at Sinag Liga TV dahil live po ang 4 na laro dito sa Delta Cup 2024 ngayong araw sa mga platapormang yon. And let's check out the team standing right now para dito sa dalawang koponan na maglalaban-laban. Etong I Love San Simon is now currently at the 2 wins and 3 losses sa kanilang record. 1 Magalang Basketball not far behind at 1 and 3. So etong parehong koponan going into the next round of this elimination round. Gustong makaangat pa sa ating team standings as makikita nga natin dikit-dikit nga po and 1 win could change the fortunes of these teams. And syempre, di na po namin kayo pag-aantayin pa. Coming up, it's the battle between I Love San Simon versus 1 Magalang Basketball. And now, to introduce the starters, let's turn it over to our arena announcer.
Welcome everyone to the 2023-2024 Delta Cup Inter-Municipalities and Cities Basketball Tournament.
Converge.
Presented to you by the Provincial Government of Pampanga. We're live here in the Brenzi Gao Convention Center in San Fernando, Pampanga. You can catch all the games on Facebook at Pampanga PIO, YouTube at Pampanga PIO, and also at Sinag Liga TV on YouTube. And let's go on the starters for both teams. And now, from I Love San Simon, jersey number 13, Steven Angeles. Jersey number 30, Ian Malonzo. Jersey number 31, Warley Dimla. And jersey number 7, John Santos. And the last, Jimwell Kunan. And now your team, 1 Magalang Basketball. Jersey number 5, David Franz. Jersey number 10, RJ Guevara. Number 28, Errol Manaloto. And jersey number 25, Sean David. And jersey number 2, Adams Dunkay. And our referee.
And here are your starters of the game. For 1 Magalang Basketball, it started with David Franz, RJ Guevara, Errol Manoloto, Sean David, and Adams Dungay. Para naman dito sa panig ng I Love San Simon, they start with Ian Malonzo, Parley Dimla, John Santos, Jimwell Kunan, and Big Moment 2.0, Steven Angeles. Both of these teams in the middle of the pack of bracket A, gustong makaangat pa sa kanilang respective brackets as first possession goes to one Magalang basketball. Corner three-pointer. No good para dito kay Adams Dungay. Ball sails out of bounds. Pupunta sa panig ng San Simon. Dimla goes to Angeles. Steven gets stripped. They swing it to Unan. Oh, good passing right here in Santos. The jumper is a little bit too strong. Manoloto on the run. Errol gets stripped from behind by Santos. Good defense early on from these two teams. Angeles playing point. Gives it to Malonzo. Jimwell gives it to Parley. Dimla gives it Steven from his favorite spot, and Steven knocks it down from downtown. What a shot coming from the man who poured out 24 points in the Sinag Liga Asia Born 2001 finals for Pampanga Delta from the same spot he got hot. Guevara misses from the outside. Oh, good steal from behind by Adams. Manaloto gives it to Guevara. They swing it over. The jumper from the mid-range is a miss para dito kay Franz David. So look at his passing, Malonzo to Angeles, and Angeles with 5 quick points. Samahan mo pa ng foul. Basket and 1 for the former Colegio de San Juan de Letran Knight. Look at this again. Good pass by Malonzo to Steven Angeles. Steven Angeles, part of that Letran Knight team that won the championship a couple of seasons ago. All 6 points coming from the Pampanga Delta swing guard. Oh, good drive there by Errol Manoloto. He gets the first 2 points for one Magalang. Santos gives it to Kunan. Kunan on the run. Kunan gets blocked by Manoloto. Great denial by Errol, so doing it on both ends. Itong si number 28. Let's take a look at that. Kunan on the attack. Good block right there by Manoloto. They get a stop here, talking about one Magalang. There's a foul in Steven Angeles early on. Of course, itong San Simon, a lot of talented players that we've seen sa Sinag Liga Asia. Also in their lineup, but not with them in today. Sa bench nila is Daryl Garcia and Rantep Simbulan, players of Luwit 1 Kapampangan. Let's see how just Dimla and Angeles right here as one Magalang retains possession as Dungay's pass is tipped. Kunan with a tap. 9 seconds to shoot for one Magalang. Sean gives it. Oh, good spin right there. Errol hesitated to shoot. That slight hesitation forced him to miss. Guevara with the offensive rebound. Franz at the post. David puts it up and in. Good move there by Franz David at the post. Basic big man hook shot right there. Malonzo directing traffic for the men in white. Kunan. 7 seconds to shoot. Ian on the move. They give it to Steven. Angeles already hit 1. No good from that same spot, but look at Dimla hustling hard. That's what he's known for. Another Luwit 1 Kapampangan cager. The offensive rebounding and defense is what Parley Dimla is known for. Look at that strip right here by Malonzo. Ian gives it to Santos. Santos, the layup. Too strong, and Guevara up high for the rebound. Adams on the run. Veer step to the basket. Angeles with the board. Alonzo kicks it. Kunan wide open. Too strong, and last touch dun si Parley Dimla. Of course, sa mga nakatutok sa Pampanga PIO Facebook page, Comment lang po kayo, sino sa dalawang koponan po ang inyong sinusuportahan at sino pong player ang inyong iniidolo from both of their respective squads. It's an early substitution agad para dito sa One Magalang Basketball. Uupo muna itong si Adams Dungay. Oh, look at that. Triple team on Franz David at the post. Angeles on the run, drops it off to Dimla. But Parley wasn't ready. Turnover para dito sa I Love San Simon. Guevara drives, kicks it to Errol. Manolota again hesitated to shoot the jumper. He decides to attack, spin move. Beautiful move right there by Errol Manoloto. Foul is whistled on Jimwell Kunan. Another substitution right here for One Magalang Basketball. Let's take a look at this move right here. Beautiful spin move by Errol Manoloto. You can attack the basket like he does. Why is there a need to shoot the outside jumper as Rafa Canlapan, number 21 for One Magalang, comes into the ball game. 1 out of 2 from the free throw line. Itong si Manoloto, he now has 3 points to his tally. Manoloto on the run again. Manoloto puts it up and in, plus a foul. What a start para dito kay Errol Manoloto. Let's look at that again. Manoloto in the open court. He draws another foul in Jimwell Kunan. This time he makes sure that he gets the basket to count this time. I remember when I covered the very first game of the 2024 Delta Cup. Etong si Errol Manoloto produced 23 points in the opening ball game. Very explosive scorer itong si Manoloto. And probably something that I Love San Simon is aware about. This is the guy that really is their scorer, or the scorer of One Magalang. As they lob it up to Angeles Steven. Nilawa lang ng ring yung eye in the sky play. I didn't know he had that. Canlapan tries from way downtown, knocks it down! And lamang na ang One Magalang. Dimla will wait for Angeles. Malonzo. Parley at the top of the key. DHO with Angeles. Steven tried to pull up, no good. Give and go, Steven puts it up, ayaw pa rin. Parley couldn't make the putback. He was all alone there. On the run, etong One Magalang, who are up by 3. Errol, pick and roll. They go down low to Sean. Canlapan, who made the jumper earlier. Estavo goes to Manoloto. Errol, hop, step. And again, he is fouled. This time, the foul is going to be called on Parley Dimla.
Walters, number 31. Parley Dimla, first foul.
Great attack galing dito kay Errol Manoloto. Seems like there's no space to attack the basket, but he finds a way through the use of that 1-2 step. Using an array of moves. Those veer steps, the Euro. This kid's footwork is on point. As Dimla with another board. 1 out of 2 ulit. Si Manoloto from the free throw line. Pascual comes in para dito. Jolo Pascual, number 9 for I Love San Simon. He replaced Kunan kanina. Three minutes and 53 remaining in this first period. Steven on the curl gives it. They give it right back to Pascual. Pascual pick and roll. Nakabitawan nga lang dito ni Santos. 5 seconds to shoot. Santos needs to fire. Santos knocks it down. Good jumper right there. Galing dito kay Jolo Santos. Or sorry, John Santos. Liko swings it to Errol. David, or Dunca rather.
gets fouled. A lot of free throws para dito sa panig ng Juan Magalang. This time, it's a different person ang papasok dito sa free throw line. Ito si
Kea Duca.
the substitution. It's Joey Mercado really shuffling his players in this ball game.
Pasok naman ito si JV Lagman. He replaces Errol Manoloto. Had a very, very explosive first quarter right here. A lot of fouls being drawn as let's see this pull-up jumper once again by John Santos, beating the shot clock. Duca 0 for 2 from the free throw line. Malonzo playing point, good pick and roll. Papunta dito kay Dimla. And Parley now with 4 points.
Likup. Tie game tayo at 12. 3 minutes remaining in this first period. Oh, from way downtown by Lagman. They get the offensive rebound. Talking about Juan Magalang. Likup tries to force the issue. Oh, good steal right there by Lagman. Kanlapan. There's a foul. Is it going to be on Santos or Pascual? Referee says on Santos. That's John Santos' first personal foul on the ball game. So Rafa Kanlapan back to the free throw line. Knocks down the first free throw. Now has 4 points in this first period. 1 out of 2 para dito kay Rafa. San Simon starting to get cold from the field here after a fiery start from Steven Angeles. Steven, wide open look. Angeles, short nga lang yung kanyang 3-point attempt. Ito, tumatakbo na naman itong Juan Magalang. Duca from the outside. Too strong. Pascual with a board. They push it to Steven. Angeles gives it to Parley and the Pampanga Delta gives it to the with one Kapampangan Cager. What a connection right there from two SLA alums. Estavo misses from the outside. Likup kicks it to the corner. Lagman goes to the baseline. Great personnel movement right there for Juan Magalang. And Estavo scores. A minute and 34 remaining in this first period. Santos on the run. Santos flips it up and in with the inside hand. Coach Joey Mercado of Juan Magalang calls for time. His team is currently down by 1 point, 16 to 15. 1 minute and 24 natitira sa ating first period.
You can watch and support ang Sinag Lakas 40 Semifinals Game 2 bukas po sa Malolo Sports and Convention Center. The Game 2 between Taytay J Project versus Tito Rex's Firewire, and the main event, it's gonna be the home team Malolos Republic versus the Santa Rosa Lion Saints. Can Taytay J Project and Malolos Republic force a do-or-die Game 3 or papasok na ba sa finals etong Tito Rex, Firewire, and Santa Rosa Lion Saints? Bukas po yan sa Malolo Sports and Convention Center. Kita-kita po tayo dyan mga kasinag. But right now, focus tayo dito sa 2024 Delta Cup as etong Isle of San Simon are now up by 1. Rivera with a steal. Tried to give it to Angeles. Great defense right there. And Canlapan with an easy layup on the other end. Credit the defense of Milo Likup. That was a 3-on-1 and he broke that fast break. And another steal right here. Milo attacks. Milo loses the basketball. Look at the passing by Juan Magalang, but what a denial right there. Great block. Galing dito kay Jolo Pascual.
Another steal para dito sa panig ng San Simon. Rivera gives it to Dimla. They go down low. Oh, there's a block. Should be 2 free throws for I Love San Simon. Foul is on JV Lagman. Si Anthony Kiambao will go to the free throw line. This is the first free throw. As nasa tayo ng ating comment section dito sa FB Live, sabi ni Mildred, kalma, good luck team 1 Magalang. Mga supporters ng 1 Magalang. Ngayon, tie game tayo. At 17. Nilo goes to the other side. Lico attacks, and that's a clear traveling violation. Great defense right there from Kiambao and Pascual, shutting down the driving lane of Lico. San Simon can retake the lead in this possession. Rivera goes underneath, reverse layup for Kiambao. Short nga lang. Pascual gives it to Rivera. Back to Pascual. Good up fake. Pascual kicks it to Angeles. 2 seconds. Steven drops it off, and Kiambao gets the basket. Will that count? Our referees are looking at each other. I think they're going to review that. But from my vantage point, that did look good. And it is. The referees confirm it. Counted daw yung tira na yun. Great passing para dito sa I Love San Simon at the end of the first quarter. Let's take a look at that shot one more time. Oh, he had 0.10 of a second remaining, and he was able to let that shot fly. Clearly, that shot counts para dito sa I Love San Simon. What a finish for them. Anthony Kiambao with the basket. Good dive from Steven Angeles, and lamang na ang I Love San Simon by 2 points after the end of the first period, 19-17. I Love San Simon right now is up by 2 points, 19-17 after that amazing finish at the end of the first period. Angeles going down low to Anthony Kiambao to beat the buzzer. So 1 Magalang down by only 2 points as bola dito. I Love San Simon. Start of the second quarter, San Simon gets the basketball. Dimla at the top of the key. DHO with Pascual. Pascual attacks. Oh, he left it short. Manaloto's back into the ball game. Errol kicks to Lico. Dangerous pass right there. Nilo attacks. Nilo puts it up and in. Fearless drive right there from Nilo Lico. Rivera. Kick to the corner. Corner three-pointer is a miss for number 15. Errol Manaloto with his first personal foul. Salihan gives it to Rivera. Hand off to Pascual. Pascual, the kick. Rivera, up fake. Rivera, Euro step. Oh, beautiful floater right there. Galing dito kay Rivera. Manuel gets his first 2 points of the ball game, and Pascual with a steal. Pascual on the run. Nailipad pa si Pascual doon. And a quick 4-0 run para dito sa I Love San Simon. Dunka gives it to Errol. Passed up another open look. Errol all the way to the basket. Oh! He misses the layup. And Dunka misses the putback, but there was a foul. So Dunka will go back to the free throw line. Second personal foul whistled here on Pascual. Kaya Dunca earlier in his first trip to the free throw line, 0 for 2. This time makes the first free throw. Happy Saturday ngayon sa mga nanonood, and I hope you enjoy all the 4 games that we have in store for you as substitution right here for I Love San Simon. Itong si Cunanan, Gabriel Cunanan, number 0, comes into the ballgame for the first time. Rivera manning the point. 15 seconds on their shot clock. Rivera. That's a clear offensive foul on Gabriel Cunanan. Moving screen. Early turnover again para dito sa I Love San Simon. We're protecting a 2-point lead dito. Manaloto. Cunanan with a steal. Bumawi after his offensive foul. And Rivera, the layup no good. Cunanan. Put back wala. Manaloto with a rebound. Tosses it over to Likup. Nilo on the run. Nilo drops it off. Francis pass, this tap. Coach Joey Mercado earlier telling Franz David to shoot that. David, there's a holding foul right here. Whistled on Rivera, trying to prevent Manaloto to be part of the play. As the pride of San Simon, the UST Tiger Cup, one of the leading candidates of the UAAP Juniors, Andre Dungo is behind the bench of I Love San Simon. The Tiger Cup is here. As a basket right there for Nilo Likup, of course. Talking about Andre Dungo, he is one of the leading candidates of the UAAP Juniors right now, leading UST to a Final Four berth. And also, naka-line up din niya, nasa roster din niya ng I Love San Simon, but due to the UAAP commitment niya for the University of Santo Tomas, unable to play na siya for I Love San Simon. It's Manaloto. Oh, beautiful one-handed shot from Errol Manaloto. He's starting to heat up once again. Oh, near steal right there by Likup. Rivera the spin, tried to drop it off. Near turnover, and it is a turnover right now for San Simon. On the run of 1 Magalang. Sayang yung layup na yun for Alboleras. Rivera, Euro step. Drops it off to Gabriel. Cunanan couldn't finish. Likup on the open floor. Likup puts it up. And once again, he'll troop to the line for 2 free throws. Here he comes, ladies and gentlemen. One of the fan favorites of the Delta Cup. As we can see muna, etong si Andre Dungo. One of, if I'm not mistaken, number 3 ngayon sa MVP leaders of the UAAP Juniors. Number 3 or number 2 leading the UST Tiger Cubs. But syempre, eto, number 24. Etong si Ryle Dizon, one of the fan favorites of the Delta Cup. Laging inaabangan yan. Yun nga din sinabi ng ating tournament commissioner, Coach Leo. Dizon is now on the floor. Watch out, ladies and gentlemen, as this kid, itong si Ryle Dizon, will be giving you a show as a 3-pointer. Besalihan is a miss. Oh, Garcia misses the gimme. Daryl Garcia is finally on the floor. The high-flying swingman of Fluid 1. There's a miss there by Errol Manaloto. What will San Simon do? They're now currently down by 3. Daryl gives it to Malonzo. Ian, step back jumper. Short. Here comes Dizon. Gives it to Manaloto. Errol already in double figures in scoring dito sa ating laro. Dizon wants the basketball. Look at the mismatch he creates there. We're at the midway point of the second quarter as France goes down low to Manaloto. Great passing galing dito sa panig ng 1 Magalang, and they're now up by 5 points. What a pass right there by France David going over to Eral Manoloto for the easy 2 points underneath. 5-point lead for Juan Magalang, 28-23. Juan Magalang basketball has now turned up the Jets and lamang na sila na 5 puntos dito after nilang maghabol at the start of the quarter by 4 points. Ito si Errol Manaloto. Of course, the fan favorite, Ryle Dizon. Angeles is now back on the floor para dito sa San Simon. Malonzo and another illegal pick galing dito kay Gabriel Cunanan. That's his second offensive foul due to an illegal screen. Another turnover for San Simon right now. Look at this, Garcia guarding Manaloto. Manaloto on the attack, no good. Likup offensive board, mintis pa rin. Garcia on the open floor, Darrell. Oh, masyadong mataas nga lang yung pasa niya. I'd have thought he was passing to CJ Butison, but hindi nakakampi si CJ ngayon. Si Salihan ang dapat papasahan niya. Milo manning the point for Juan Magalang. Dizon is demanding the ball at the post. France turns it over. Here comes Ian. The toss up to Salihan, and Salihan gets the basket. As Cesar Salihan with his first 2 points of the basketball game. It's a clear offensive foul on Errol Manaloto. Clear na clear sa ating referee. Yung shove niya dun. As eto na naman, another Luid Juan Kapampangan cager, Randeb Simbulan on the floor. Number 34, one of the double-double machines for Luid Juan, who averaged 10 points and 10 rebounds in the past-born 2001 Cup. Angeles, pull-up jumper is good. Steven now has 8 points in this ball game. Down by 1 dito ang I Love San Simon. Of course, itong Juan Magalang looks to add on to that lead through this possession. Liku, oh, good pass. Oh, and Sean David misses the gimme. Angeles to Garcia. Watch out, Darrell will fly. First 2 points for the high-flying swingman, Darrell Garcia. At lamang na itong I Love San Simon, 29-28 after the Pampanga Delta connects with the Luid Juan Kapampangan right here. And Garcia with a high-flying layup right there. Lamang na ulit ang San Simon, 29-28. Follow us or like our Facebook page at Pampanga PIO dahil live po tayo doon ngayon. Yung Facebook page, and syempre subscribe din po kayo sa aming YouTube channel at Pampanga_PIO, and happy watching po sa mga viewers natin ngayon sa Facebook. Magandang umaga po sa inyong lahat. I hope nakakain na po kayo ng almusal, o kung kumakain pa lang kayo, enjoyin nyo po ang ating basketball game ngayon between I Love San Simon and Juan Magalang basketball. Errol with the attack. There's a pushing foul whistled here on Steven Angeles. That will be his second. The baseline inbound para dito. Oh, this will be a penalty na pala itong I Love San Simon. Again, early penalty sila kanina first quarter dito ng Juan Magalang basketball, and now they're again in the penalty. Manaloto misses again on the first free throw. He has been pure splits, as we can see Coach Joey Mercado, the head coach of Juan Magalang basketball. 0 for 2 para dito. kay Manaloto. Malonzo gives it to Salihan. They give it to Steven. Back to Daryl. Daryl to Randem. To the cutting Malonzo in the middle. They kick it to Salihan. With the ball movement from I Love San Simon. But 2 seconds na lang natitira at hindi na umabot yung layup doon ng I Love San Simon. A little bit too much passing from them. As happy watching po kay Tita Rowena. Carino Angeles, shoutout daw kay Steven Angeles. Of course, nanonood din si Boss Randy. Simbulan ngayon. Mga kapamilya ng ating mga players dito from San Simon. Happy watching po. Of course, si Nagliga Asa pa lang nakatutok sa alas. Eto, Garcia. Oh! I thought he would fly there for the slam. But 4 points now for Daryl Garcia. Of course, he did produce a poster dunk sa Sinagliga Asia. And ito, tumatakbo na naman itong San Simon. Garcia. Oh, good pass. Sorry, miss nga lang. Para dito kay Pulusan. Manaloto. Uh-oh. Uh-oh, uh-oh. Dizon's down on the ground holding onto his knee. Ryle is still down. Holding onto his left knee right now. This is not a sight to see as even the coaching staff and players of San Simon are going towards Ryle Dizon. Let's see again what happened on that play. He goes up for the rebound. Landed badly on his left leg. Right here, the medics have already immediately brought out the stretcher board right now. Again, Ryle Dizon, one of the fan favorites dito sa Delta Cup. He's in pain, as we can see, grimacing in pain. Ito si Ryle Dizon. Let's check it out right here on the last play. There's a layup by Pulusan. He misses. Dizon goes up for the tap. Watch for his left leg. And he hyperextends his leg right there. The knee isn't supposed to bend backwards that way. We're praying that it's just a hyperextension of the knee and no ligaments are going to be torn. But this is a good sign that he is standing up and trying to walk in his own power, but he cannot put any weight on his left leg. Again, we are hoping and praying on behalf of the entire Delta Cup staff. Siyempre, lahat din ng mga sumusubaybay. We are praying that he walks away from this okay. This is just a minor injury, but Ryle Dizon is carried back to the bench right now. One Magalang basketball. Thoughts and prayers to him, and let's hope that he recovers quickly. He has a lot of talent and put a lot of smiles sa mga nanonood dito ng Delta Cup palagi. Let's just hope it's just a minor injury, a hyperextension of the knee. Huwag naman sanang may ligament tear. The three worst letters the game of basketball. Simbulan kicks it. And Pulusan steps out of bounds. Another turnover. I Love San Simon. Manaloto. 16 seconds on the shot clock of one Magalang. Errol forcing the issue, turns it over. Malonzo being trapped at the backcourt, gives it to Daryl. Garcia tosses it over. Salihan. Garcia will fly again. Flight number 32 gets fouled. Everyone was waiting for Daryl to turn that ball around and throw it down. Again, sa mga nakanood ng Sinagliga Asia game between Luidwan Kapampangan and Batang Lakan ng Bulacan, everybody will never forget that poster dunk that Daryl Garcia produced. Still one of the best moments in Sinagliga Asia history. Right now, Daryl Garcia donning the jersey of his hometown, itong San Simon. Pampanga. Let's see if he can produce some highlights today in this ball game. Of course, for Daryl, in his mind, he wants to get the victory. He's 1 out of 2 siya. Or he missed the first free throw. 0 for 2 now for Daryl. Happy birthday daw kay Prince Andre Geronimo. Happy birthday po and happy anniversary kay Dana Cortez and John Geronimo. Happy anniversary po sa inyo and happy birthday din kay Prince Andre Geronimo. Ito simbulan on the attack. Random puts it up. No go. Daryl with a tap. Niluwapan ng ring. Dungka, three-pointer. Oh, good. And a rebound right there para dito kay Garcia. A good move right there. Vergara jumper. Di nga alam pumasok. Yes. Siyempre, sinoutout ko kanina kay Prince Andre Geronimo. Anak po yun ng ating napakasipag na... Hindi, wala pala dito. Nasa likod ata. Napakasipag na cameraman si Kuya John. Hindi ko sasabihin yan. Ayoko. Magagalit na naman yun. As ito, we have a timeout for I Love San Simon. They have a 3-point lead, 31-28. to 28, a 3-point lead para dito sa I Love San Simon. As happy anniversary din sa mga kasama natin dito sa production ng ating idolo. Ang aking idolo na si Emerson Molieno at sa kanyang asawa na si Miss Jasmine Molieno. Son and Miss Jasmine, happy anniversary po. Right, long distance kasi nasa Pampanga ngayon si Emerson at nagtatrabaho ngayon. One Magalang couldn't score on that possession. Again, another empty possession for One Magalang. But again, for San Simon, they can't add on to this lead. Hirap na hirap silang dagdagan tong 3-point lead nila as they get the final shot of the second quarter. Again, after the end of the first, they did score off a buzzer beater. Let's see if they can score once again in this end of the second quarter possession. Daryl, huge steps to the basket. No go. Tapi ka ng bola. One Magalang gets it. 3 seconds. There's still time. Manaloto on the run. Manaloto puts it up and in to beat the buzzer. What a play galing dito kay Errol Manaloto. 4 seconds from half court. Papunta sa basket. 2 dribbles only. Let's check it out one more time. Here comes Manaloto. 1, 2. And then he just launched himself up for the easy layup right there, and he cuts the lead down to 1 dito, 31-30. Pero lamang pa rin ang I Love San Simon dito at the half. Magbabalik po tayo dito sa 2024 Delta Cup. 2024 Delta Cup as it's a 1-point lead para dito sa I Love San Simon. 31-30 at the half against One Magalang basketball. As we can see some of these halftime highlights dito. Errol Manaloto, talagang a scoring machine para dito sa One Magalang basketball, especially now with the absence of Ryle Dizon, their big man, injured in this ball game. But para sa panig dito ng I Love San Simon, Steven Angeles with 8 first half points already. Sama mo pa ng Daryl Garcia that exploded to the rim multiple times. And ito, Manaloto again with those floaters. Patented floater. And ito yung near slam ni Daryl Garcia. Maybe some morning jitters pa galing dito kay Daryl. Kasi ito ang ating leading scores. Angeles with 8, Dimla with 6, Garcia with 4. Manaloto leads all scores with 16, Likop with 5, and Rafa Canlapan with 3 points. Dito, si team pa ang makakuha ng kanilang panalo. As it's just a 1-point lead para dito sa panig ng I Love San Simon. Canlapan. Spin move. Up fake. Sorry, miss right there. Sayang. Ganda ng galaw dun ni Canlapan. Garcia lobs it up to Simbulan. Too strong yung pasa. Estravo gives it to Likop. Three-pointer by Likop, no good. Tapi ka ng bola. There's a foul, a pushing foul whistled here on Franz David. That's the first team foul para dito sa panig ng One Magalang. And a near steal here. It is a steal by Canlapan. Likop on the run, lamang na ulit. Itong One Magalang basketball. Mga kabalin, muntik ng tamaan ng ating poging FD dito, si Derek Billy. Tamaan lang yung pagkain niya. So, sa mga Rico, palo na naman ako. Canlapan with another steal. Back-to-back steals na para dito kay Canlapan. Simbulan on the run, Random, no good. And Random picks up the basketball and he was still out of bounds. So again, San Simon, another empty possession for them. Likop gives it to Estravo. Estravo from the outside, short. That shot was straight, but a little bit short. Oh, Malonzo's pass was tapped, but ball stays dito sa panig ng San Simon. Coach Joey Mercado on your screens right there, the head coach of One Magalang. Farley gives it to Angeles. Steven hesitated to shoot that time. Natapik yung bola, but last touch pa rin si Steven doon. So a turnover again for San Simon, another empty possession for them. It now has been 2 minutes, over 2 minutes na silang scoreless dito sa third period. Nilo gives it over to Estravo. Dunka back to Estravo. 10 seconds to shoot. And Estravo hits Angeles in the face, and that'll be an offensive foul para dito sa panig ng San Simon. Simbulan. On the run na naman, Likop gets blocked by Garcia. And Random on the run right there.
And good passing right here by Juan Magalang. Bring out the goggles right here. Angeles, free lane to the basket, drops it off to Parley. Dimla spins, Dimla puts it up. No good. No good for Angeles pa rin.
16 seconds on the shot clock. 16 seconds to shoot.
And we can see Coach Dante Torres, the head coach of I Love San Simon, frustrated with the way his team is playing on offense. Steven, three-pointer, knocks it down. Pangatlong conversion na yan ni Angeles right now. 11 points now for Steven Angeles, Mr. Big Moment 2.0. For sure, tuwan-tuwa ang Gatas Brigade. Canlapan bumps. And that'll be a traveling violation on Canlapan. Another turnover for Juan Magalang. Coach Joey Mercado now with a look of concern. Darrell. They're giving Darrell Garcia space. He can shoot it from there if he wants to. Angeles, three-pointer. And he is fouled, and he'll go to the free throw line for 3 free throws. Steven Angeles going back to the free throw line as Guevara comes back into the ballgame for Juan Magalang. Guevara only played the first period. Angeles again a champion with Colegio de San Juan de Letran. Dun sa pangatlong championship nila on that three-peat bid. Steven knocks down the first free throw. As we can see, Renz Bernardo, a player of Passion Sports Elite, my former teammate for Method Basketball. Of course, his father is a Kapampangan, taga Santa Rita po ang tatay dito ni Renz Bernardo, and he is good friends with Darrell Garcia and Randem Simbulan. Akala ko maglalaro dito para sa Delta Cup itong si Renz Bernardo. Of course, he is also part of the JRU Heavy Bombers team. Soon he'll play for JRU together with a couple of great players from JRU. Oh, and Angeles travels that time. Clear traveling violation there for Steven, and he acknowledges that traveling violation. Coach Dante Torres not happy with the recent possessions para dito sa panig ng San Simon. Ending up with turnovers and missed shots na point-blank range. Babalik dito for San Simon itong si Manuel Rivera replacing Ian Manaloto. 14 seconds to shoot for Juan Magalang. Manaloto attacks. Manaloto. No good, and another rebound right here for Simbulan. Parley gives it to Randem. Randem tried to go to Darrell. Natapik doon ni Dunka. As habang may break tayo, again, happy birthday kay Prince Andre Geronimo and happy anniversary kay Dana Cortez. And ang idolo namin lahat dito sa Delta Cup, si John Geronimo. As Guevara on the run, Guevara puts it up and in. Ganun ang mga galawan ni Boss John nung 20 pa siya. Rivera gives it, Darrell. Angeles wide open look, Steven couldn't cash in the three-pointer. Dimla gets blocked by Dunka. What a defensive stance right there galing dito kay Kia Dunka. Let's take a look at that one more time. Huling-huli. Palpal dun, and Angeles again with another three. Now 14 points. Or correction, now 17 points for Steven Angeles.
Angeles probably reverting back to that finals against NBS Slashers. Let's take a look at this three-pointer. Great DHO play right there. And Dimla perfectly gave a brush screen. Libreng-libre si Angeles doon. Underneath, Errol couldn't finish the layup. Simbulan nearly turned it over and he was telling his teammates, lapit sa kanya. 6-point lead for San Simon. 22 seconds on the shot clock para dito sa panig ng San Simon. Simbulan. Look at Pascual on the run. Gives it to Dimla. Dimla puts it up and in. Plus a foul. Muscling his way through etong si Parley Dimla. Let's take a look at this good dive by Pascual and Dimla through the contact. So bonus free throw para dito kay Parley Dimla. A double-double machine din for Luwid 1 Pampanga and he swishes that free throw. Of course, some of these players, Darrell, Garcia, Random Simbulan, Steven Angeles, Parley Dimla, I've been covering for nearly 2 years na. Seeing their growth in their games. The true testament sa sipag ng mga batang yan. And look at that hustle here by Dimla. Simbulan. On the run, Simbulan drops it off. And the finish by Pascual. Big to small connection right there. What a run para dito sa panig ng I Love San Simon. And now they're up by 11 points. Let's look at this beautiful dime. Galing dito kay Randip Simbulan. Big to small connection for the easy 2 points for I Love San Simon. And they're up by 11 points, 47 to 36. As we can see, Mr. Big Moment 2.0, Steven Angeles and Random Simbulan, the double-double machine. They are now leading their team here as lamang na itong I Love San Simon by 11 points, the biggest deficit of this ball game. That's good defense right there by Pascual at tumama pa kay Manaloto. He is saying he was fouled, but it was right in front of the referees, and referees said that was legal defense right there. Pascual on the run. Hands it off to Rivera. Rivera the spin. And yung pasa niya kay Simbulan, sails out of bounds. Babalik ang bola dito sa Juan Magalang. France. Gives it to Manaloto. He has some driving lane right here. Kicks it out to Guevara. Back to David. France puts it up. Good tap right there by Simbulan. Angeles tosses it over to Pascual. Pascual, emergency pass to Dimla. Parley couldn't make the layup, but look at that. Pascual naman to Simbulan. Right back at you. Returning the favor. As, oh, good pull-up jumper right there by Franz David. Dimla on the other end. Dimla couldn't finish. Simbulan tried to tap it, but he taps it to the wrong man. Manaloto bumps and he puts it up and in, plus a foul. Great move there by Errol Manaloto. That James Harden bump to the Euro. Saktong-sakto kaliwete siya. Look at that beautiful bump to the Euro, mini Euro step. Favorite na favorite move yun ni James Harden of the LA Clippers. Babalik para dito sa panig ng I Love San Simon 2 players. Etong si Salihan and Kiambao. Upo muna si Angeles at saka si Dimla. Salihan gives it to Santos. Santos overshoots but kanya pa rin. And Santos with a putback. Oh, Likop. Do not blink with Nilo Likop. Likop just ran after the basket was converted as Rivera. Oh, beautiful pirouette move right there by Rivera. Guevara on the run. Guevara again. Another counter right here by Juan Magalang. Sobrang bilis ng scoring dito. There's a foul right there. As 2 free throws para dito kay Rivera. As sa mga nanonood po ng Delta Cup ngayon, I just want to pose a question. Comment lang po kayo. Do you think we will ever see a performance like we saw kanina sa NBA? Kasi if hindi po kayo aware, Luka Doncic po, ladies and gentlemen, scored 73 points kanina. Will we see a performance like that dito sa mga bata na naglalaro sa Delta Cup? A lot of scorers performing here. Will we ever see a 70-piece or a 73-piece? Gaya na pinakita kanina ni Luka of the Dallas Mavericks. If we do, sinong player po ang tingin nyo kayang magawa yon dito sa Delta Cup? As a good basket right there by Canlapan. Nababa nila sa 7 ang kalamangan. Uy, muntik na yun for Salihan. France gives it to Errol. Manaloto on the run. Manaloto drops it off to Likop. Nilo jumper. Nilo was fouled by Kiambao. Uh-oh. Some color developing right here. Some players having an altercation right now. Pascual, Manaloto, and David. And the referee gave technicals. Both coaches calling on all players right here as our officials are already going to the IRS. Check out what happened. Let's check out what happened right here. Likop with the jumper right there. There was the foul on Kiambao. Oh, Manaloto. Both Manaloto and Santos nagkagirian doon. And obviously, France David did not like his teammate going down. He confronts itong si Pascual. Some of the players right there confronting each other. I believe a couple of players got texts. Even itong si mga referees natin.
Manaloto.
Let's hear it from our arena announcers. What happened? They said technical foul on number 28, Errol Manaloto. So that's one technical, but I saw kanina, dalawang players ang tinek ng referee natin. So who's the other one on? Is it gonna be on Pascual or Santos? Both of the teams kakainitan na yung laban. And mind you, ladies and gentlemen, watching right now, Pampanga PAO Facebook and YouTube channel, we're just in the first game. Malamig po ang simoy ng hangin dito sa Pampanga, and yet mainit ang mga intensity dito. Let's take a look at this. It's Santos and Manaloto.
For second motion, and Errol Manaloto, technical foul for second motion. Number 28.
So there was the call, and Coach Joey Mercado Von Magalang not happy.
Jolo Pascual, fourth foul. And John Santos, second foul. Errol Manaloto, fourth foul.
So,
Franz David,
double
third
technicals
foul.
on Errol Manaloto, John Santos. Both for that second motion, yung nagkagirian sila dun sa ilalim during the foul on Nilo Likup. And both of them, talking about Errol Manaloto and John Santos, have 4 fouls now. Again, because we're playing amateur rules, 5 fouls lang ang meron ka. So if Manaloto fouls out of this ball game and he's the top scorer of the game, where will Juan Magalang's offense go to? As Estravo comes back in, Manaloto, papaupuin muna ni Coach Joey Mercado, I believe, para palamigin muna ang ulo niya. Rivera against Guevara. Rivera, oh! Look at that dribbling moves right there by Rivera. Oh! And Guevara strips him. Estravo block right there by Pascual. What a sequence dito sa ating laro in Kiambao. Fouls itong si Likup on the putback. Let's take a look. There's the block by Pascual and here's the foul. Likup knocks down the first. 2 out of 2 for Nilo Likup. Salihan gives it to Pascual. Pascual this time gets blocked by Estravo. Nakabawi si Estravo doon. That's the end of the third period. Some chippiness right here from the players. Likup and Salihan before the end of the quarter. But nonetheless, etong I Love San Simon lamang pa rin ng 4 na puntos. They were up by as much as 13 points dito sa quarter na to. But Juan Magalang basketball did not give up, forcing a lot of turnovers and a lot of easy baskets dito. That's why we still have a 4-point lead dito. And yung mga highlights natin, itong I Love San Simon getting in transition multiple times, as well as itong Juan Magalang. They were starting to catch fire from the field. Kagaya niyang basket ni Parley Dimla na foul counted pa. Kaya nga lamang dito ng 4 na puntos ang I Love San Simon, 53-49, entering the 4th and final quarter of this 2024 Delta Cup. Kayo pa rin po ay nakatutok dito sa 2024 Delta Cup. Maraming salamat po sa inyong walang sawang pagsuporta dito. Siyempre ito, this is the 4th and final quarter of this ball game. Again, these two teams in the middle of the pack of bracket A. Gusto nila makaangat pa. Pascual, beautiful Euro step. Di lang pumasok yung basket. Pascual with a foul. And that is now his 5th and final foul. He now fouls out of this game. Babalik itong si Ian Malonzo for him. Nine minutes and 41 remaining in this 4th and final period. 4 na puntos ang hinahabol dito ng Juan Magalang. Estravo, ball gets tapped. And it hits his foot at pupunta dito, pabalik sa San Simon. Ang possession. Garcia playing point. Gives it to Malonzo. They give it to Angeles, who has 17 big points right now. Angeles to Dimla. Dimla gets blocked from behind. Guevara on the run. Guevara overshoots. Darrell to Randem. They give it to Steven. Angeles lobs it up to Parley. Parley, finally he finishes that layup. Great passing right there. Galing sa panig ng I Love San Simon. And when these four players are on the floor, they are a tough team to stop. And Angeles right there with the rebound. Simbulan on the run. Randem, nauna, drops it off. Darrell puts it up and in. And he was even asking for a foul. Says he got hit in the head. But the Tuluwid-1 Kapampangan teammates connect right there. Coach Jonathan probably is watching right now and gustong-gusto yung nakikita niya sa kanyang mga bata ngayong araw. Guevara gives it to Dungay. Dungay. Oh, near turnover there. Jumper. No good pa rin. And Dimla with another rebound. Steven pushes the basketball. Naagawan ni Canlapan. Guevara tumatakbo. A 3-on-2. Guevara will fly. Great layup right there. Galing dito kay RJ Guevara. 7 minutes and 50 remaining in this ball game. Malonzo. Big pick right there by Dimla behind the back. Parley couldn't finish the highlight. Dungay, the spin. He travels that time. Great shutout. Galing dito kay Dimla at Garcia. And a timeout by Coach Dante Torres right here. They're up by 6 points, 57-51. As we will see the legend himself, our tournament commissioner and the COO of Sinag Liga Asia, Coach Leo Isaak. Ay, pupunta yan. Pero may tanong ako sa kanya. Coach Leo, kumain ka na? As ito Dimla turns it over and tumatakbo na naman. Likup on the run. Likup puts it up and in. Great job using the contact para mabula si Garcia. And baba ulit sa apat ang Kalamangan as Darrell with an easy layup. Great pass by Steven Angeles. Estravo on the attack. Estravo against Garcia. Ho, 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 ho. Great drive right there by Estravo. Angeles nagmamadali. Steven to Parley. Steven Angeles playing point guard this time. Back-to-back assist for Steven Angeles. And this time, he gets a steal pa. Simbulan against a smaller Likup. Randem, the spin and the hook shot is good. I love San Simon starting to heat up again through the 4 players na naglaro sa Sinag Liga Asia Born 2001 Cup. Nilo gives it to Guevara. Guevara from the outside. No go, and Simbulan just taps it to himself casually. Malonzo on the run. Gives it to Angeles. Angeles step back. Triple. Steven couldn't get it to go. Darrell fighting for the offensive rebound. Steven back to Darrell. They give it to Malonzo. Malonzo three-pointer is short. Tumatakbo na naman dito ang Juan Magalang. Guevara on the run and he gets the basket plus a foul. And I would have to give credit to Ian Malonzo. Medyo delikado yung kanyang pag-challenge doon, but he caught Guevara in mid-air. Great sportsmanship. Let's look at that. There's the foul. Good. Again, foul on Malonzo, but I would like to give him credit dahil sinalo niya itong si Guevara. That would have been a terrible fall for Guevara. Good sportsmanship galing dito kay Ian Malonzo. Guevara, bonus free throw, gets the bounce. Darrell playing point. Horns play being run by Garcia. Darrell gives it to Randem. Back to Parley, DHO. And basang-basa yun ng Juan Magalang. Turnover for Angeles. Here comes Nilo. Oh, good pass to Guevara. And itong Juan Magalang refusing to go silently. Here in this ball game, nababa nila ulit sa tatlo. Salihan to Dimla. Back to Salihan. They give it to Simbulan. The floater is a miss. Garcia with a rebound. Garcia gets blocked right there. Parley back to Steven. Angeles off a screen ni Dimla. Pull-up jumper for Steven Angeles. If I'm not mistaken, that's his 19th point of the ball game. Good seal by Dunca. Back to France. David face-up jumper. Oh, bawian lang ng mid-range. Who says the mid-range art is lost? Of course, may kilala ako na naglalaro sa Taytay J Project ng mid-range master. Malay natin, maglaro yun bukas. Laro. Sa mga kasinag namin na nanonood, maglalaro kaya bukas ang mid-range master para sa Taytay J Project? You don't know who I'm talking about. I'm talking about Marvin Valdivia. A turnover right here again for I Love San Simon. Guevara gets Garcia with a chase down. Great trail job right there for France David. Saving what could have been a great denial for Daryl Garcia. That LeBron-like block there with Daryl Garcia once again. Salihan gives it to Garcia. Daryl, three-pointer, knocks it down. Like I said, he can hit those outside jumpers. He's not just a dunker. Apat na puntos ang hinahabol dito ng Juan Magalang. And France nearly got it to go. Foul will be on Simbulan. Let's take a look at this three-pointer. You go under, hand down, man down para dito. Kay Daryl Garcia. Substitution right here for San Simon. Uupo muna ito si Simbulan. Babalik si Santos. David. First free throw is a make as I just want to give this special shout out sa aking inaanak. Kay Amari Voltaire Damian. Bote! Ninong will see you soon. Of course, to my cousin, the mom of Bote, si Ate Martina Galarosa, and Kuya Justin Damian, the father. See you soon. Baby Bote, Ninong will see you soon. Darrell gives it to Steven. Steven from the same spot. And the jumper from the mid-range is automatic para dito kay Steven Angeles. 70-66. And Manaloto again drawing another foul. He has been living at the free throw line in this ball game. Errol again misses the first free throw. Referee natin, nanghihingi pa ng alcohol dito. Thanos, ha? We saw kanina Coach Dante Torres, the head coach of I Love San Simon. Still not happy with this lead. Of course, one possession lead lang to, 70-67. Anything can happen in the next 2 minutes and 57. Darrell against Manaloto. They give it to Steven. Angeles off the screen. Angeles will attack. Angeles draws a foul. He'll trip to the line for two. And that's Errol Manaloto's fifth personal foul, and Steven Angeles to the free throw line. Steven Angeles in this ball game producing 20+ points. Maybe dahil as Angeles will go to the free throw line. Again, Steven Angeles producing 20+ points in this ball game. Maybe dahil nanonood si Kurt the Hurt Rayson, another Letra Knight right here and a champion from the Pampanga Giant Lanterns. Kurt Rayson in the building. My good friend, Kurt the Hurt. Oh! Manaloto gets whistled for an unsportsmanlike behavior. Angeles misses the free throw. A technical for unsportsmanlike behavior, correction. Para dito kay Errol Manaloto. Angeles makes the first free throw. Dahil kanina yung technical free throw yon was because Manaloto, from what I believe, from what the referee told me, lumapit sa akin and said a profane language. Then Garcia with the offensive rebound. And he is fouled. Fourth personal foul right now on Franz David. Our referees explaining to Coach Joey Mercado the foul. Manaloto, I believe, is tossed from this ball game. Yes, because he has a technical foul and not technical pa ulit siya. So he had two technicals. First for the second motion. Technical, yung double technical kanina nila ni Pascual. Now, he got a tech for there's a foul away from the basketball, a holding foul whistled here on John Santos. Third personal foul on John Santos and penalty na dito. So this is a way para dito sa Juan Magalang to come back in this ball game. Let's see if Dunca can hit both free throws right here. Dunca makes the free throw. Two out of two for Dunca, cutting the lead down to 4. Angeles, there's a traveling violation whistled here on Steven. The defense of Licop really preventing itong I Love San Simon to add on to this lead more. Lagman gives it here. Dungay gives it here to Lagman. 11 seconds to shoot. And there's a foul on Simbulan preventing itong si Dunca, and Dunca will go back to the free throw line. Kaya Dunca, 2 for 2 kanina. As the Hurt is in the house, the star player of Pampanga G Lanterns and Colegio de San Juan de Letran, Kurt Rayson. The prized possessions of Pampanga dito, their star scorer. As Dimla comes back in. Angeles. Last 2 minutes tayo dito. Steven looking to nail the dagger here at tumama dun sa ulo ni Lagman yung bola. Ball sails out of bounds. Bola pa rin ng San Simon. Coach Joey Mercado asking for a replay dito. And they are going to the IRS to replay. Sino ba ang last touch dun sa last possession? At habang nanonood, ang mga referees nanonood tuloy. Habang nagre-review ang ating mga referees dito, abangan nyo po. This July 18 to 23 ang Sinag Liga Asia Junior World Showcase as we will see teams from Italy, Canada, the United Arab Emirates,
The USA, particularly from Washington, D.C., Las Vegas, Nevada, Houston, Texas, and the East Coast and West Coast are coming over here to compete with Sinag Liga Asia teams from Luzon, Visayas, and Mindanao. And it will be hosted by the province of Pampanga through Governor Dennis Delta Pineda. Abang lang po kayo mga kasinag sa Sinag Liga Asia Junior World Showcase. As Angeles nails the dagger right there. Speaking of players that will play sa Junior World Showcase, Steven Angeles and Daryl Garcia. Are we going to see Luwid 1 and Pampanga Delta there? As Angeles with a steal. Steven, turns it over. Di sila nagkaamuyan doon ni Daryl. As Dunga with an easy layup. Nabanggit lang yung Junior World Showcase. Ginanahan agad itong mga players na to. Of course, maybe some of these players playing in this Delta Cup, we will see in sa qualifiers natin. As we can see Coach Joey Mercado on your screens. Frustrated dahil nga wala ng Errol Manaloto. And also at the same time, his team is down by 5 points, 78-73. Estravo comes back in. Also, of course, watching the games right now, the beloved Governor of Pampanga, Governor Dennis Delta Pineda. Gov, thank you so much po for watching and thank you so much po for creating etong liga natin ngayon. And of course, also supporting Sinag Liga Asia. And speaking of Sinag Liga Asia, watching din right now is Mr. Sinag himself, the President and CEO of Sinag Liga Asia, Boss Ray Alaw. As Salihan misses from the outside. Likop on the run. Likop misses the layup. Guevara being hounded right here. Gives it to Estravo, the floater. Niluwa pa ng ring. And Simbulan clears it for the men in white. Angeles looking to nail the hammer dito. Put the nail in the coffin sa laro. Steven gets fouled right here by Estravo. Steven Angeles with a chance to shoot 2 free throws right here. And put the dagger into the hearts of one Magalang in this ballgame. And if they win this ballgame, they will improve to 3-3 sa bracket A. As Steven knocks down both free throws. Nakatapik pa doon ni Daryl Garcia. Inbound pass, so babalik dito sa Juan Magalang ang bola. Down by 7 points with 32 seconds remaining in this ball game. Guevara will fly. Niluwa pa ng ring. Random gives it to Salihan. I believe they will just give it. Fumaul pa dito itong si Canlapan. And of course, sa mga kasinag, again, abangan din natin ng SLA 19 under and 23 under. Paparating na po this March 2024 as we welcome back the Pampanga Delta as Governor Dennis Delta Pineda has confirmed participation for the tournament. You heard that right. Babalik ang Pampanga Delta sa Sinag Liga Asia. Governor Dennis Delta Pineda has confirmed their participation. Welcome back to the defending champs. As eto, hindi natitira dito ang San Simon. What a victory galing dito sa San Simon. I love San Simon team. And of course, they were led by Sinag Liga Asia alumni Daryl Garcia, Random Simbulan, Parley Dimla. But wag natin kakalimutan yung mga point production from the other players. Etong sila Rivera, Malonzo. But for Juan Magalang basketball, they've dropped down to 1-4 dito sa ating tournament as etong I Love San Simon will now improve to 3-3 sa bracket A dito sa ating tournament. What a victory para sa kanila. As ito ang ating final score, 80-73. The victory for I Love San Simon right here, a 7-point victory for them. They improved their record to 3-3. At kasama ko na ngayon po mga kabalin, none other than Mr. Big Moment 2.0. Walang iba kundi si Steven Angeles of San Simon. Steven,
20 points na naman. Para bang pinabura mo ba na nandito ako score ka na 20 points?
Na-miss lang kita eh. Ikaw ulit yung commentator namin eh.
Request makata talaga kayo. Pero Steven, grabe yung shooting mo ngayong araw. Grabe din yung depensa na nilaro nyo. Ano ba yung nangyari dun sa halftime nyo? Anong sinabi ni Coach Dante sa inyo sa halftime at bigla na lang gumanda or mas gumanda yung depensa nyo ng halftime?
Kasi galing kami sa nung last weekend, Sabado tsaka no Sunday. Talo kami sa Lubao tsaka sa Palit. Eh, kailangan namin ng bounce back. Importante talaga itong laro sa amin. Kaya nung Monday to Friday, talagang nag-guard kami sa practice kahit may sarili kami practice sa mga school namin. Nag-extra pa rin kami. Kahit oras na ng gabi, nag-practice pa rin kami.
Well, alam ko napakasipag mo yung 27 points. Huling nakita kita, na-over kita, 27 points din ginawa mo. Pero Steven, eto na ang chance mo na bumate. Lalong-lalo na sa mga sumusuporta sa iyo sa San Simon at syempre yung mga tropa natin sa Gatas Brigade.
Unang-una, nagpapasalamat ako kay God na binigay sa amin yung panalo. At walang nasaktan sa amin. Sana okay lang yung na-injury kanina. Kasi kasama rin namin sa Delta dati. Nagpapasalamat rin ako kay Governor Dennis Delta Pineda na boss namin. Sa liga na ito, maraming nabibigyan ng opportunity mapakita yung laro nila. Tsaka una, yung pamilya ko po sa San Simon, tsaka yung mga kabarangay namin sa San Simon, lahat ng Kapampangan na sumusuporta sa akin at sa liga na sinagliga siya Delta Cup.
Thank you so much and congratulations, Steven. At see you soon dahil kinonfirm na ni Gov Delta. Nasasali daw ulit ang Pampanga Delta sa 23 under na Sinagliga siya. Once again, that is Mr. Big Moment 2.0. Steven Angeles with 27 points to lead the team itong I Love San Simon to victory. And syempre, coming up next, mga kabalen, is the battle between Minalin All-Stars kontra Florida Blanca. Susunod na po yan dito sa Delta Cup. But dyan po nagtatapos ang ating first game. Ako po si Enzo Galarosa and on behalf of Direk Nomar Santiago, Direk Don Mike Danan, Direk Billy De Leon, Direk Carlo Orpos, Video Gear Incorporated, and the rest of the hardworking men and women na nagtrabaho dito from the Brenzy Giao Convention Center. This has been your 2024 Delta Cup.